So hello friends, in today's video I'll share three basic script with you. So basically we can get the Windows update logs with these three line of codes. So I'm just going to share three methods to how can we get the latest Windows update installed on our computer. So first of all is just we have to get Windows update log. So this is the first command. So I'm just going to run and show you the result. So it's getting the list of the details and it will show you the result. So this is the first command. So let me just run and finish this. So it's getting the details here. So let's wait for the details, or then I'll show you the second command. We will get the details with the hotfix. So till the time I can just type the second command like get hotfix, then short object is installation installed on. So you can see the details are here now. So this is the first command. It's run successful. So let me just install the write down the second command. So it's short object installed on is descending. Then we have to use select object. First 10, like we are getting the first 10 Windows updates. So this is the second command. So it will show you the data. So you can see the details are here. So let me just type the third command. Third command we will use WmiObject. For that I'm typing Get-WmiObject. And then we have to define the class. Class is win32 underscore quick fix engineering. Then we have to use short object. Again installed on is descending, and then we have to filter again and select object, then first, then again. So this is the third command. We'll get the Windows update details here. So let me just run and show you the result again. So you can see the result are here again, and these are the three basically commands where with these commands you can get the Windows update details on the PowerShell.